Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are going to talk about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a lovely art that adds charm, detail and patterns. Hand embroidery is a wonderful art that has been loved for many years. It is a simple and creative way to decorate fabric using a needle thread and your imagination. Hand embroidery can be done by many items such as dresses, shirts, scarves, pillow covers, tablecloths and headbands. It adds beauty and a personal touch to everyday items. Many people enjoy embroidery because it is relaxing and allows them to create something unique with their own hands. One of the most popular embroidery designs is the floral patterns. Flowers, leaves and vines are easy to create and look beautiful on any fabric. You can use colorful threads to make bright and cheerful designs or soft colors for a delicate and elegant look. Another favorite embroidery style is simple border designs. Borders can be stitched along the edges of sleeves, necklines, handkerchiefs, and tablecloths. These designs may look simple, but they add a stylish and finished appearance to any project. Many beginners start with basic stitches such as the running stitch, back stitch, chain stitch, and satin stitch. These stitches are easy to learn and can be combined to create many beautiful patterns. With practice, you can make one more delicate and creative embroidery designs. Nature-inspired embroidery is also very popular. Designs featuring birds, butterflies, trees, and flowers bring a fresh and natural look to fabric. These patterns are perfect for people who love nature and handmade art. Traditional embroidery designs are another wonderful choice. Many cultures around the world have their own embroidery styles and patterns. These traditional designs often include beautiful shapes, detailed stitchings, and bright colors that reflect cultural heritage and creativity. Hand embroidery is also a great way to personalize gifts. You can embroider a name or a special design on a gift for a family member or friend. Handmade gifts are always meaningful because they show time, effort, and care. Choosing the right thread colors is important in embroidery. Bright colors create a lovely and cheerful design, while soft colors give a clean and elegant appearance. You can experiment with different color combinations to create your own unique style. Many people enjoy embroidery because it does not require expensive materials. A needle, embroidery thread, fabric, and an embroidery hoop are enough to get started. This makes embroidery an affordable hobby for people of all ages. Hand embroidery is not only creative but also relaxing. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.